Assalamu alaikum class. I am your teacher Tareem Shiraz. This is our revision lecture what we have already completed in the previous week. Exercise 4A question number 11. As we have already completed question number 1 to 10 in the previous lectures and in the classroom. So this is the revision lecture and we are going to start the question number 11, which is factorize the following expressions. A square plus 3ab minus 4b square. As we already done the factorization in chapter number 3 of exercise 3b, so we can easily factorize the term. How we factorize the term? We simply multiply the first term and the last term, which is the coefficient of first term is +1 and the coefficient of last term is -4. The answer will be -4. Now we have to find that two numbers which will then added or subtracted. The answer will be +3ab. First of all, we will simply find the multiples of -4, multiples of 4, and the multiples of 4 are 2 into 2 and 4 into 1. So the answer will be, if we can add, if 2 and 2 will be added, it will become 4. But what we need the answer +3ab. So what we do, we simply, if we can say -4 plus 1 will become -3, but we want our answer in positive. That's why the larger term will have the positive sign. +4 minus 1 is equals to +3. So a square plus 4ab minus ab plus 4b square. Then a will be common between the two terms, and a plus 4b minus b into a plus 4b. What will be the factors? A minus b and a plus 4b. Now the next part is part D, 3m square minus 16mn minus 12n square. So if we multiply the coefficient of m square, which is 3, and the coefficient of n square, which is -12, the answer is -36. We will simply find the multiples of -36, starting with the table of 2. 2 multiply 18 is -36. Our search is finished here, as if we can add 2 and -18, it will become -16, and what we want -16. The largest sign, this minus sign indicates that the largest sign will have the minus sign. So 3m square minus 18mn plus 2mn minus 12n square. 3m will be common, m minus 6n plus 2n will be common, n minus 6n. Same, 3m plus 2n, and this one will make the one term, and the inner terms, the common terms, will make the one term, m minus 6n. So the part E, 3p square plus 15pq plus 18q square. 3p square, okay, what we do, the coefficient of p square is 3 and the coefficient of q square is 18. We simply multiply the both terms, that will be 54. Now we will find the multiples of 54, starting with the table of 2. 2 multiply 17, 54, but when we add 2 plus 17, it will become 19, and when we subtract 2 minus 17, it will become -15. Okay, the question is, we need +15. If I can say, I can put the positive sign with the 17 but the negative sign with the 2, the answer will be +15. But when we multiply -2 simply, but when we multiply -2 and 17, the answer will be -54. But we need the answer in positive sign. That's why it means that this is not satisfying our condition. So the next is 3 multiply 18, which is 54. It is also not satisfying. 18 minus 3 is 15, and 3 minus 18 is also -15, but we want the multiplied form term in positive sign. So this is also not satisfying. So 6 multiply 9, in 4 there is no 54, in 5 there is no 54, but in 6 there is 54. 6 multiply 9, which is 54, and when we add 6 and 9, it will become 50. So 3p square plus 6pq plus 9pq plus 18q. 3p will be common, p plus 2q plus 9q into p plus 2q. This term is the one term, p plus 2q, and 3p plus 9q. So I have solved question number 11 part A, D and E. The remaining part will be your homework. Okay, question number 12. Oh sorry, question number 12 and 13 is your homework also. I am doing the question number 14, which is expand the following. You have already done expansion in chapter 4 of D1 and chapter 3 of D2, and now you have already done expansion before, so it is very easy for you to expand these terms. 2x minus 3y into x plus 5y minus 2. It means that these both terms will multiply with each and every term of the other bracket. First of all, the easiest way is to segregate these two terms. 2x will be multiplied with this term, 2x into x plus 5y minus 2, and this minus 3y will multiply with the term minus 3y into x plus minus 3y into x plus 5y minus 2. Now we will multiply this 2x with x, 5y and 2. 2x will multiply with x will become 2x square. 2x will multiply with 5y, it will become 10xy, and 2x will multiply with minus 2, it will become minus 4x. Now this minus 3y will multiply with x, it will become minus 3xy, minus 3y multiply plus 5y minus 15y square, and minus 3y will multiply with minus 2, it will become plus 6y. So 2x square plus 15y square plus we are rearranging the like terms, 10xy minus 3xy minus 4x plus 6y. 2x square minus 15y square plus 10xy minus 3xy will become 7xy minus 4x plus 6y. So part D, which is 3x square minus 3x plus 4 into 3 minus x, which means that this term, whole term, will multiply with this and this term. So the simplest way is to, again, the segregation, which we can say 3x square minus 3x plus 4 will multiply with this 3 plus the square brackets. I have put the square brackets just for just to know that the inner sign which we are multiplying is minus x. This term is minus x. That's why in order not to confuse, I am putting these square brackets. 3x square minus 3x plus 4, this term will multiply with minus x. So when 3 is multiplied with the inner term, 9x square minus 9x plus 12 plus square brackets, and this minus x will multiply with 3x square, it will become minus 3x cube plus 3x square minus 4x. 9x square minus 9x plus 12, we are opening the square bracket, minus 3x cube plus 3x square minus 4x, rearranging the like terms, 9x square plus 3x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 12 minus 3x cube. By putting the minus 3x cube in front, plus 9x square plus 3x square will become 12x square, minus 9x minus 4x will become minus 13x, and plus 12 will be remain the same. So this is the question number 14, part A and D. Now I am going to do the question. Now I'm going to start the question number 15, which is factorize the following. I'm doing part C. 4x square y square z minus 22xyz plus 24z. What I will do, I will simply multiply the coefficients of z and x square y square z, which is 4 multiplied 24, which is 96. We simply find the multiples of 96. If starting with the table of 2 multiply 58 is 96, but when we add 2 plus 58, it will become 60, and then if we can subtract 2 minus 58, it will become 56. What we need minus 22. So in the table of 3 multiply 32, which is 96. Again, this condition is not satisfied with ours. If I can say 4 multiply 28, it is 96. Again, 4 and 28 are not satisfying. So in 5 there is no 96, but if I can say 6 multiply 16 is 96. But the answer is in negative. The multiplied terms, the answer is in positive, but if we can add or subtract, the answer will be in negative. It means that if we can multiply minus 6 multiply minus 16, it will become positive 96. But when minus 6 and minus 16 will added, it will become minus 22. So 4x square y square z minus 16xyz plus 6xyz plus 24z. So 4xyz will be the common, so xy minus 4 minus 6z into xy minus 4. The answer will be 4xyz minus 6z into xy minus 4. These common terms will make the one term, and this 4xyz minus 6xz will become the other term. So this is all about our revision lectures. Now there is a short assignment for you, the homework assignment, which is you have to complete question number 11 part B, C, F, question number 12, question number 13, question number 14 part B and C, and question number 15 part A and B. This is all about our revision lecture. If you have any query, you can ask me later. Thank you so much.